you have a photo or an image that you want to change the background on, but you're not sure how? Canva has you covered. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Willow, and I'm a longtime Canva user. And my channel is dedicated to showing people all the amazing and wonderful things you can do with Canva. It's especially useful if you're a small business owner like I am. So be sure to hit subscribe and that notification bell so you'll be notified every week when a new tutorial comes out. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the background remover tool and the eraser tool in Canva. Plus, I'm going to show you a little tip or trick. Now, the background tool in Canva is a pro account feature, so you want to be sure to grab the link in the description for your free 30-day trial of Canva Pro. And let's get into our tutorial. Start by showing you an example of how the background tool can be useful. I'm using one of my product designs in this example, and I've already added it to my artboard. This is an image that I've uploaded to Canva, and if you want to learn more about uploading images, you'll want to watch this video next. So if I wanted to add a background to this image, watch what happens when I try to do that. Notice we still have the white box around the image. That's because when I uploaded it, that was the background on the image. So to get to your background remover, select your image and the menu opens here. You're going to go to this button, Edit Image, and click on that. This icon is your background remover tool. You want to click on that and wait a few seconds. It has removed the background from the image, but it has left the cord and part of the background down here at the bottom. Control plus and zoom in, scroll down to where you want to edit, and then you're going to click on the erase tool here. So you can adjust your brush size by sliding this circle up and down the bar, and see the circle on the screen, how it gets bigger and smaller. That's the size of the area that it's going to erase. And keep in mind, the finer the area, the smaller you want your brush to be. So to start out with, I'm just going to grab these outer spots and make sure I get it all. Okay, I think that's as close as I can get with that size brush. So I'll shrink my brush down again, and this time go in and do the very fine detail work. And you just scroll along to take out what you want. And notice I nipped the bottom of the lamp base in that one little spot. I'll show you how to fix it. Delicately go through and take these spots out. Now, I want to click the restore button. I'm going to go back into this spot where I nipped the base and just touch it up. Now, let's click done and see what it looks like. So you'll see there's still spots that I did not get. So I'm going to go on and click apply, and then I'm going to hit the background remover again, and it got more of it out of the way this time. So Control plus, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more, go back to my erase tool, shrink down my brush size, and just get as close as I can. So it can be tedious to do this, but it sure does come in handy. And I'm going to click done and apply. And now your background is removed and all the pieces that you didn't want are removed. If you're finding this video helpful, please click the like button, hit subscribe and that notification bell so you'll be notified every week when a new tutorial comes out. Once you've edited your image and removed the background, you can continue to work with the image. And let me show you some examples of what else you can do. So I want the lamp to look like it's on and it needs a bit of a glow behind it. And I'm going to use elements to do that. So I'm going to click on elements. Let's add this element and send this backwards. And now we'll just make it a little bigger. And see how the lampshade kind of looks like it's brightened up a little bit? That gives more of an effect that it's on. Now we also want to make it look like it's on a table. So we'll go here and I'll add this image to the bottom and click backwards. And now it looks like the lamp is kind of sitting on the tabletop. However, it still looks kind of like an edited image. Click on your lamp, go to Edit Image, click on Shadows. Let's do a backdrop shadow. And to edit the shadow, click on these three little bars and you can change the settings on the shadow. Okay, so we're going to add that. And then we also need this at the bottom and we're going to edit it. So we're going to change the offset to bring it in a little bit closer. The curve will adjust, bring it in a little more, and add a little more blur to it, just to soften it up. Click apply. And now the lamp looks more like it's sitting on a table. It looks more realistic. So if I wanted to add another image, so now we've added this element. Let's go to edit image, background remover, and now we have just our flower vase. Click apply and set it where you want it. Needs a little bit of a tilt to kind of straighten it out. And let's go to edit image, shadows. You still need the backdrop shadow. Let's bring that over just a bit. Add a little more blur to it. Soften it up. Click apply, shadows. So you can see that you can use the background remover tool on images that you upload to Canva, as well as elements in Canva. And then you can apply effects to your images to make them look more realistic. And that's how easy it is to use the background remover in Canva. I really hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did find value in this video, please be sure to click like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every week when a new tutorial comes out. If you have any questions about anything you saw in our tutorial today, please don't hesitate to post them in the comments below, and I'll answer just as quickly as I can. I can't wait to see you again next week, and until then, have a fabulous week and enjoy your Canva.